Here we are at the goat farm, just outside of Perth. It's a great little place, more tuned towards gravity enduro. It's kind of a pretty brutal place to ride cross country. Got skills, dirt jumps, some steep ups and downs. Oh, I'm offline. The goat farm has intense little patches tucked away. Quite a steep place, makes it a brutal place to be riding your bike up, and a little harder place on your brakes on the way down. On the plus side, it doesn't have much in the way of pea gravel, so it's quite tacky in the summertime, quite greasy while riding it at the moment. Good place for gravity enduros, and with dirt jumps, dual slalom track, good facilities here. But we'll have all that information and more in the West Australian Mountain Bike Trail Guide. Oh, wide bars.